Look. So we're currently here in Colorado Springs, or just outside Colorado Springs at Garden of the Gods. There's some really cool natural rock formations that you can see here behind me. But if you're in the area, I definitely recommend checking them out. It's about 20 minutes from Colorado Springs and about an hour from Denver.
There's so much to do here at Garden of the Gods. Everything from really easy walking trails all the way up to climbing, which you need permits for. But there's something for everybody.
Check out those rocks.
For like an hour.
Those are
So many rocks.
nice rocks.
I like rocks.
Hey, rock.
Good morning.
Good morning. It's 5:30 in the morning, and we're on our way to our next adventure. But we have coffee, so it's okay.
Well, that was a bust. We're on our way to option number 2. Okay, so the first option was to drive all the way up to Pikes Peak, which is the same place as we were yesterday, but just up at the top of the mountain. Here at Garden of the Gods, we're right at the base of the mountain. So the gate was closed when we got there. They don't open until, did it say 9?
It said 9,
Yeah.
but then it said something about the road being closed because of winter conditions.
But I don't think that's true. I think that the road was just closed because it was early in the morning. Oh, good morning.
3 my 10 minutes.
Second option was to come back to Garden of the Gods, and we found a really cool spot, which is right there. We're taking a time lapse. We'll probably take some photos, have a snack, and just enjoy the sunrise. Colorado has lots of cool rocks that you can come see. Another cool place to come visit is Painted Mines here just east of Colorado Springs. It was about a half-hour drive to get here. It's also free. It literally looks like it's from Star Wars. Back in the day, the indigenous people who lived near these paint mines used to use all of the colors in the rocks as their paint. The altitude in Colorado, near is the whole state at high elevation.
Most of it, I think.
Okay, well, the altitude makes me feel very out of shape.
Vlogging essentials.
So we just finished the Cave of the Winds walking tour. It was really cool. We learned a lot about rocks.
A lot about rocks and the way like water affects the rocks and forms the caves. Really interesting, really cool. And then at one point they completely shut the lights off.
And it was pitch black. You couldn't even see your hand when it was like this close.
Yeah, you can't see anything. And then she was telling us after about 10 to 15 minutes, your eyes and your mind will start to try to see things.
So you're gonna hallucinate and see like ways out of the cave which aren't really there.
Which we never got to experience. Would have been cool maybe, but also maybe a little frightening. But they do offer a different tour, which is actually 3 hours. They take you a little bit deeper in the cave, and they bring you into another part where you get just a little lantern and there's no actual lighting. So it's a little more eerie. They tell you a little bit more about some of the spooky things that have gone on here. I think it fits the vibe of the dark cave. But we didn't have time to go on that one today because they stopped taking tours for it after about 2 or 3 o'clock. I'm out of shape. I can't breathe.
Oh, I thought it was
And all I did was a heel click. This elevation sucks.